Hi! In this video I will show you how to build inbox for STM32 microcontrollers. Okay, the first step is getting the source code. For example, you could get it from GitHub with git clone, like this. Okay, now you have an empty repository, and the second step is configuring it for your board. To view the list of available configurations, you should run the following command: make conf load. Okay, for STM32 boards, it will be one of these. In this example, I will build inbox for STM32 F764G Discovery. So I copy its name and run the following command: make conf load dash and its name. Now you can see conf directory, which contains board specific data about the build. If you want to use network, you should configure it in following file: conf rootfs network, and set up correct IP address. For me it will be these values. Okay, now you save it, and now you need a cross compiler. For these boards it's ARM non-EABI GCC and GDB. They are available for the most GNU Linux distributions. When you install it, you simply can run make and wait while the system is being built. Okay, when it's finished, you can see a following file: build base bin inbox. It's elf executable for ARM platform. Now I'll tell you how to load it to your board. The first thing you need is board itself, of course. You need to plug mini USB here, so you have a serial interface and also can load image to the board. Also, if you need Ethernet, you have to plug Ethernet cable as well. Okay, now on the host side you need OpenOCD. It's also available for a lot of distributions, and you have to find out where it stores scripts. For me it's user share OpenOCD scripts boards, and you can see a lot of different boards here. We need STM F7 Discovery. Here it is. So I'm running the following command: OpenOCD-F and pass to the script. Okay, now to load inbox to this board, you need to run GDB like this: ARM non-EABI GDB, and specify inbox as a target. Now you should connect to OpenOCD, set this board to hold state with this command, and load it. It will take a few dozens of seconds. Okay. Also, when you plug in the mini USB cable, a new terminal device appears in DevFS. For me it's TTI ACM0, and you can run minicom to read from it. Now in GDB it's finished, and you can run continue command. As you can see, inbox writes something to the minicom. Net manager takes some time to start. Okay, so basically that's it. You can run some command, for example view files like this. Also, this configuration contains network, so I can ping it like this. As you can see, LED is blinking. Okay, also it has telnet, so I can connect to it and execute some commands. For example, test frame buffer, and it fills the screen with gradient. As usual, you can just reset board with a black button. So that's it. Other boards are configured with the same way, except that you need another configurations. Just choose another name from the list. I hope this video was helpful. Feel free to create new issues on GitHub, write to our mailing list, or contact us somehow else.